What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to review Payhip. Payhip is an online platform that enables creators to sell digital products, courses, and coaching services effortlessly. With customizable storefronts, seamless payment processing, and membership options, it empowers users to manage their businesses effectively while reaching a global audience. Perfect for anyone looking to monetize their creative work. Now, let's discuss some of its features. Sell digital downloads. Payhip allows creators to effortlessly sell digital products like ebooks, software, and music. By simply uploading files and linking payment options like PayPal or Stripe, users can start selling immediately. The platform manages transaction and provides marketing tools such as affiliate systems and coupon offerings, enabling sellers to focus on their creative work while expanding their reach effectively. Sell courses and coaching. Payhip simplifies the process of monetizing knowledge through online courses and coaching services. Creators can design engaging learning experiences with videos, quizzes, and downloadable resources while also offering personalized coaching sessions. Features like drip content, student accounts, and integration with video conferencing tools enhance both educational and coaching experiences, making it easy to track and retain clients while providing valuable support. Sell memberships. Creating membership offerings on Payhip is simple and effective. Users can set up recurring payments for exclusive access to content or community features. This model allows creators to build a loyal customer base while providing ongoing value through regular updates and member-only resources. The platform's tools make managing memberships straightforward and efficient. Sell physical products. In addition to digital goods, Payhip supports the sale of physical products. Sellers can manage inventory, process orders, and handle shipping directly through the platform. This feature enables creators to diversify their offerings by combining digital and physical items, reaching a broader audience while simplifying the logistics of selling tangible goods. Online Store Builder. Payhip's powerful store builder empowers users to create a customized online storefront without any coding skills. Sellers can choose from various templates or design their own layout to match their brand identity. This feature streamlines the selling process by providing an intuitive interface for managing products and enhancing customer engagement through a visually appealing store. Email marketing tools. Payhip includes built-in email marketing features that help sellers connect with their audiences effectively. Users can build mailing lists, send updates about new products or promotions, and engage customers directly through targeted campaigns. This capability not only fosters customer loyalty but also drives sales by keeping buyers informed about offerings they care about. When it comes to pricing, Payhip offers 3 plans. The free forever plan comes in at no cost at all, and this includes all features, unlimited products, and unlimited revenue with a 5% transaction fee. The Plus plan comes in at $29 per month plus 2% transaction fee, and it includes all features, unlimited products, and unlimited revenue. The Pro plan comes in at $99 per month with no transaction fee, all features, unlimited products, and unlimited revenue. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. One significant drawback of Payhip is its limited customer service options. Users can only contact support via email, which often leads to slow response times and unresolved issues. Many customers express frustration over the lack of live chat or phone support, making it challenging to get timely assistance when problems arise. Payhip has been criticized for abruptly blocking users' accounts without prior warning or clear explanations. This can lead to significant disruptions for sellers who rely on the platform for their businesses. Users report losing access to their products and customer data, resulting in wasted time and potential revenue loss. Numerous users experience login issues with Payhip, including being unable to access their accounts or facing deactivation without notice. These problems can stem from various factors such as forgotten passwords or account violations. The lack of comprehensive troubleshooting support exacerbates these issues, leaving users frustrated and unable to manage their stores effectively. In conclusion, while Payhip offers valuable features for selling digital and physical products, potential users should consider the drawbacks, including customer service limitations, account blocking issues, and login difficulties. Weighing these factors against the platform's benefits is essential for making an informed decision about whether it meets your business needs. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.